Along the top of the screen, you'll see two search bars. On the left, a keyword search bar, and on the right, a company ticker search bar. Below that, there are several filters that can be used to either expand or restrict the number of results you'd return. To get started, enter a ticker like GM. When you run this search, the left-hand document pane will load every document issued either by or about General Motors. The right-hand pane will show a company tier sheet that provides an overview and financial data about the company. You'll notice that documents in the left-hand pane are coming from different sources: broker research, company press releases, transcripts, regulatory filings, investor presentations, newspapers, trade, and business journals. You can switch from one document to the next without having to open separate PDFs or going to separate sections of the product.